going on, YouTube? You know, the pups out today. What's he taking? Taking a deuce. I'm finna go walk some trails over there inside that forest. I just got here right now. I'm trying to let them get used to the environment real quick before I just get to walking and stuff. But I used to come in this neighborhood when I was a little kid and used to walk inside the little wood trail and stuff. It opened up, and I know it's a little creek down here too. And I know I can definitely get them on some squirrels today, so that's the goal. Find some squirrels. Get on some squirrels. Look at this boy right here. He gonna be a stud. He gonna be a stud. Watch this, watch this. Watch him. Yeah, it's not on shit. Yeah, it's not on shit. They trying to search. They not looking for no squirrels in there right now. Yeah. So take this little creek out of here. Take this creek out. Come on. Now we're going straight to it. Oh, actually, right over here. Ooh, I remember them. They had some mean dogs back in the day, boy. Ooh, they had some mean dogs back in the day. I remember walking through the neighborhood, being a little kid, be doing some bad shit, trying to go over there and smoke. Dogs barking like hell, boy. Meet up. Yeah, this boy done dried up. This boy used to be water. I always see fat ass bullfrogs and shit over here. Regular ass Texas shit. Regular smuggler Texas shit. Yeah, man. I'm supposed to be showing the dogs. See, that's the tunnel right there. All the bullfrogs again. And my aunt used to stay down this street. All that and weird come back over here. Damn, this dry. Look, what is heating our plants? And this all used to be water. This all used to be water. Okay. I guess I go hit this forest too. Well, it ain't forest, I don't know why I keep saying that. Little wood trail. Finna go hit that up. Look at it. Beautiful. How they roll? Go, Nala. The heat don't play. Got her pen. I think they still do got them dogs. They got the dog houses out there. Dog house chewed up. Ooh. Them boy fuck around, jumped the fence. Look at her. Her horny ass. She smelling. Come on, Nala. It's hot, right, boy? I'm already knowing. Come on, girl. Come. Goddamn beat. You gotta have recall on y'all dogs. Nala, come. Shit, her shit not the best, but shit, you know, I'm getting there. Gotta keep on working on it. Let's go. Yes, sir. My boy Spud. Nala. I don't even remember where I went in on the trail when I was little. It's either over here or over there by the playground. But yeah. Definitely gotta keep the dogs worked out and shit. Let them at least get some outside time for an hour or two. Especially if you're in apartments. Shit, if you're in apartments like me, right now I'm just gotta keep on working, trying to get me a house and shit. But as far as right now, I'm in an apartment, so try to take them out as much as I can. It's pretty often though. I know Nala for sure. Shit, before this summer heat started kicking in, we was going fishing every day. Every day. Not missing a day. Even when it snowed. Yeah, he like this better than shade. Let's go. All right, let me have him take you to this trail. Oh, I don't know if y'all down south people know, or anybody. These little anteaters. When I was little, we used to put ants in. And an anteater, he'll come like, pull them on the ground. It's so cool. But, yeah. Oh, I think I found the trail. That look vicious. Nothing but thorns. I don't know if I want to do that. I don't know if I want to do that one right there. Come on, out. That recall, man. She gonna follow me too. I'm really trying to find some squirrels, man. Cause I want to get onto hunting, but shit, can't go. Man, I guess I could scare squirrels myself. But that ain't what I'm on, man. I want the dogs to scare them up in the tree. Get my little high power rifle and pop them. Cook them up. Barbecue them up. Let's go, Spud. He hot already, ready to go home. But we gotta work out. We gotta work out. Oh, this is the trail right here. That's the trail right there. Hold on, I gotta see. We gotta find that trail. Nah, don't jump, Spud. Look at him, he finna try to jump anyways. No, come on, let's go. I love him. Look at that boy. I know that ground hot. We gotta get him back on some dirt. All right, let's try to find a trail. See, look, this is like a good trail right here. It's just thorns everywhere, man. Let me try to find somewhere. Cause I want to get them through this trail. I might have to just risk it for the biscuit and get thorns through that first trail I saw. I think I'm finna risk it and just go through this bit. Go on, Nala. Come on, Spud. Fuck it, we're going through this bit. Oh shit, I dropped my keys. We've been walking home. Ooh, Tick City, boy. That's all I can say. Tick City. Tick City. And Alex, okay, I'm going this way. Let me put my keys up. Put my keys up. All right, let's go. Let me find my way through. Oh, no, yeah, I ain't doing this one. I got shorts on. Ain't nobody probably been back here in a minute. Ain't no trails cleared up. I got straight. Damn, ain't nobody been back here in a minute. So I thought I was gonna be going through some trails for y'all niggas. People, my bad calling y'all that. But shit, ain't no walking through the trails. Ain't no walking through the trails today. They got that. Matter of fact, I know you hot, Spud. I know you hot, boy. Come on, Nala. We out here, man. Man, I know I'm a horrible cameraman too, man. Most of the video probably straight grass and trees, no dogs. No dogs. Damn, I could try this one right here. It just don't look like it opened up back there. I need something to open up because I'm telling you, in the back it's a big old field too that leads to my forest. And they got like a little watering hole and all that back there. I just gotta get to it. And I gotta be careful for them pigs too. I don't wanna run into no pigs. Look at Nala girl. Look at Nala girl, man. Brightness probably down too.